welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. Here is very interesting video for you. And most frequently searched question over internet that how one can use the Chatgpt for earning and what are the business scope using Chatgpt.
How to make money with Chatgpt and openAI. All around it's Chatgpt, and Chatgpt. But how one can use the Chatgpt for earning money, especially an individual. Let's dive in. This is homepage of Chatgpt and this is how it looks like itself. We can ask anything we want, have a conversation. It can scrap the internet for basically all data and get you accurate answers for just about anything you want. As a side hustle, you can start to make some extra money now. It's going to give us a lot of individual opportunities. Using Chatgpt for freelancing services. Yes, you can do freelancing, saying on Fiverr, Upwork and freelancer portal site that you do offer this job. And with the help of Chatgpt, you can offer such services like: first, content writing for articles. Chatgpt is so accurate, so let's check. For example, here I am going to find top 10 businessman for article. As you can see the result, how Chatgpt making it fast, and this way adding your few lines on the article you can create uniquely your content. If you want to write essay for sentence, everything is immediate and is perfect and there's never a spelling error. You want to write sales copy or anything. Make a post over freelancer sites, start with cheap offering and do your job faster with the help of Chatgpt and make your portfolio. Once you done lot jobs, then charge premium. That's how you can make lot of dollars. People are making millions of dollars through the freelancing job. Second, script writing for videos. And with the help of Chatgpt you can not only create automated script, but you can write that real normal conversation between two people, so you will get the detailed script of that. For example, I need script story where two children and mother doing conversation, also story must have a great message for children. Or, here I'm gonna check another story. Here I'm gonna check another story. As you can see, the Chatgpt generated the story, which has two character, one animal exactly you asked to Chatgpt, and also generating amazing message. Here you see the moral of the story is that sometimes, the greatest treasures are not the ones you find, but the ones you make along the way. And that the kindness and compassion towards animals can lead to unexpected friendship and help. So either you start selling your script to companies based on their niches and email them, you can write interesting script for them. Or you use that script to make video for yourself using some free tool and monetize them. People are doing it and earning a lot. Third, writing a book. This would be completely different level, the use of Chatgpt. If you can write a book, any adventurous story or education story or even friction-based story. You can take the idea and narrate it with your words, and maybe you could able to launch your own book. Fourth, writing product description. You can offer this service to client that I can write product description for your product, and what you have to do is just mail them to e-commerce sites owner and pitch them. With the help of Chatgpt you can get incredibly best result for any product. Let me show you how. Fifth, language translation. Freelancers who work in language translation can use Chatgpt to quickly translate written text from one language to another, thus increasing their productivity and output. Sixth, data entry. Chatgpt can assist freelancers with data entry by automatically generating written summaries of data from research or reports. Seventh, research. Freelancers who conduct research can use Chatgpt to generate summaries of the research findings, which can be used in reports and presentations. 8th, selling courses over social media. Yes, with the help of ChatGPT, you can create marketing courses and small courses, whatever skill you know. With the help of ChatGPT, you can write courses and sell over social media and earn decent amount. So that's all. Hope if it will be helpful to you. To know more all about this AI thing, stay tuned with me, and you know the thrill. What you have to do, just subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, inside